Electronics prototyping creates physical models that designers use to test and validate their ideas. Years ago, Z-Axis created prototype boards by placing parts and soldering them by hand. It was time-consuming and labor-intensive. Today, we rarely use this approach. If your design is basic, we can create a simple layout and order boards with quick turnarounds. We can get prototypes like this in a few days, but they won't have solder masks or silkscreen. For complicated or fine pitch circuits, we'll create a layout and order boards with solder mask and silkscreen instead. The advantage here is that we can now provide you with a prototype that looks just like the final product. If you need small quantities, such as 5 boards, it doesn't make sense to set up a pick-and-place machine. So instead, we'll use a stencil, apply solder paste, hand place your parts, and then reflow solder them. Compared to how we used to build prototypes, it's easier to place parts by hand in this way. Plus, reflow soldering reduces the risk of defects. If you need 10 or more boards, we can run them on our SMT line instead. Our pick-and-place can load 8 trays, and we can build custom tray inserts to hold small quantities of parts. Our prototyping capabilities also include machining. We use a modern 3-axis Haas milling machine for all housings and parts. If your prototype uses an off-the-shelf housing, we can add any holes for connectors. We also machine plastic blocks and aluminum rails. Additionally, we can support your prototyping project with our 3D printers. For a small volume of plastic parts, 3D printing is much more efficient than injection molding. Electronics prototyping is often an iterative process, and Z-Axis can help you refine your design with expert feedback from our design and manufacturing engineers. From prototyping to pilot runs to full-time production, Z-Axis has the design and manufacturing services you need, all under one roof.